Welcome back to MythicMachines. On today's episode, I'm going to be finishing up welding the inside. So I got the one little spot that needs to be redone. I got the one little spot on the firewall that needs to be filled. And I finished welding the rest of the floor pan, and then I got to weld in the two filler plates that I made for the back. Take a stroll on down over here. See my back corner there. Scene. I'm gonna put the floor pan in. I had these gap spaces back here. So what I did was I cut out a piece of flat metal, shaped it to where it needs to be. Had it overlap some, and now it's ready to get welded in there. And I'll fill my hole in, and that'll be all done. Did that there. Did that with the other one on the other side. So I'll be finishing that up. I'll also be finishing up the space right there. And then once I get all that finished, I'm going to finish welding down the sides. Before I do that, I'm going to show you how I made my little plates. How I made my little template. My plates that fit in here. First I made a basic shape out of the cardboard. It fits there. Made a little oversized. So if I just trim down the metal, it'll fit perfectly. As I did. For that, I cut this out of flat metal. And then now I would fit my piece in. I cut it. Had the same shape. So I used my template on the metal. I cut out the template. The piece in for my out of the metal. And then from there, I stuck it in. And I shaved down whatever needed to be shaved down. Cut it down to size. You see, it doesn't fit perfectly, but it fits well enough where I could fill up my gap. I could weld it all in there, and it'd be filled in quite nicely. And of course, I can't show you the welding or anything like that, which I could, but my camera will not like that at all. Yeah, I'm gonna get those in there. I'm gonna get them all welded, all flat, so all my holes are sealed. My front's gonna be done. My floor pan's gonna be completely welded in. Everything be welded and solid. After that, I'll be fitting in after that, I'll be grinding down all the high spots, the spot welds. So grinding all those flat, make sure it's all good. After that, then I'll be putting in my lower cowling. So I'll be back when I'm getting ready to do that. Alright, well, this episode's going to be quite short. It's starting to get dark, and it took forever to weld all that in. Show you all real quick. But as there's a wild Bella. Do you like it, Bella? I'll take that as a yes. Bella approves. See? Got that all filled in. Got a lot more welding and everything on there. Got all that filled in and welded in. Same with the other side. Got it all welded up. Got everything welded in. So, I haven't got to grinding anything yet to take out all the high spots like this. So, won't be doing the lower cowling. Getting that all in. Yeah, I like it. It's all welded in, it's all sealed up again. It's looking pretty good. But yeah, so off camera I'll be getting all the grinding done. And next episode I'll be getting my lower and my top cowlings welded on. So stay tuned. Well then, that'll be all for this episode. But next episode I'll be putting my lower cowling in and I'll get my upper cowling on. Stay tuned for that. I hope you like it. If you do, subscribe, like the video, share with a friend, do all that good stuff, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.